Alright, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. We have the STI here and we are going to be taking care of something that has been bothering me for a very long time. This happened last year. We have some curb rash on one of our wheels that we're going to be fixing. My buddy Barbon, he works with DC Wheel Coating. He's going to be getting it fixed for me, so we're going to film that a little bit. Alright, so we cleaned the wheel a little bit, but right here you can see the curb rash. So he's gonna fix this and make the wheel look good as new again. So I'm really excited to get that fixed. If you guys need any sort of curb rash fix on your car or anything like that, make sure to check him out, DC Wheel Coating. We're gonna film a little bit, just the process and what he does. Watch him work a little bit. And yeah, just excited to see how it comes out. Wrapping the wheel up in some Uno cards, you know? Wait, so now it's ready for paint or what?
Now it's ready, but I'm just gonna keep cleaning it. The cleaner the job, the better the paint.
Yeah. So basically you sanded it down, then you said you scuffed it? Sand
it down, scuff it. So first clean it so you know what you're doing first.
Right.
Then sand it down, scuff it, and then clean it with grease remover. Make sure the paint comes out nice.
Gotcha. And then ready for paint. What's the paint process? You just put the paint and then clear or what?
So first I put the paint. Sometimes you can just polish it and clear it depending on the job. But so usually it's paint, clear, and then blend right after.
Gotcha.
For an example, I'm only going to clear from here out to here, and then I have to blend it with the rest of the wheel.
All nice and prepped. So now we're going to do some color matching, and then we're going to be painting the wheel, and we'll be all set. But here it is up close. Looks nice and clean. So now just, finish it up. The wheel's going to be looking basically good as new. Alright, it's all done. You can't even tell that the wheel ever had curb rash. Looks literally perfect. So right here is where the curb rash was. Looks good as new. Perfect. This makes me so happy. We're back, baby.
Good. Back in business.
This guy's a pro. Just gotta take off the Uno cards and we're all set. Alright, fast forward to 3 days later since we fixed the curb rash on my wheels. I didn't really have anything going on tonight, Saturday night, so I decided to come to this car meet. And it is ridiculously packed. The parking lot is pretty much full, and there's still a line, just like I can't even see the end of the line to get in. So we'll see how long this meet lasts before it gets shut down. I'm just waiting for the cars to come in a little bit more, and then we'll walk around and see what's here. I think I missed the memo that you're supposed to park sideways at car meets now. Everybody is parked like that, like we're at a car show or something. I don't know. I saw the silver STI coming in. I wanted to come check it out. I don't know why, but I feel like STIs look so good in silver. This thing's nice though. Look at the fitment on this thing. This thing is static too. He's not on bags. He drives it like this. This is nice though. Here's another sick STI. This thing is crazy. There's the IG. Jesus. This thing's fire. Yeah, look at this thing. I have no idea what that is. It has one seat and it's in the middle. Just one seat. Yeah, I think they shut down the meet because everyone's leaving. Did want to see this thing. This thing is sick. Time to head out though. Anyways, I think that's where I'm gonna wrap up today's video. Kind of a random video all over the place, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. STI is nice and shiny. I actually took my time and actually waxed it and everything today. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.